I want to explain to you my story about how Chase Bank here in the US cost me almost $2 million. I should be up today, looking at the price of Ethereum, I should be up by $2 million, but I'm not. And this is why. You see, 2 years ago when I decided to move to America, I wanted to move here because I knew that I'd have many more opportunities to grow my wealth, right? To become wealthier, to take advantage of the capitalistic environment, to meet people, to raise investment for the fund, and just to keep building my wealth. I mean, America's the place for the ambitious, right? This is where you want to move to build bigger businesses. You don't want to live anywhere else in the world apart from America when it comes to making money, okay? This is the best country in the world to make money, apparently. And apparently it's the land of the free, but I'll tell you what, that isn't actually true. And the reason that's not true is because a year ago, I walked in to my branch here in Miami Beach. Okay, I walked into Chase, Miami Beach. I'm not going to give the exact branch because someone might go in there and pretend to be me, but they won't get anything if they try and scam me. I have been scammed in the past. People have stole millions of dollars out of a crypto wallet of mine, actually. So I need to make sure that shit doesn't happen to me again. But I walked into the branch and I tried to transfer $1.5 million from my Chase account to my Coinbase US account. Okay, I tried to move that money over. I tried to move $1.5 million over. And in the branch, they were like, yeah, okay, that's fine, sir. Yeah, you can do what you want. They signed off on it. I was like, all right, great, perfect. Then I got a phone call about 20 minutes later, and it was Chase, and it was the fraud team. It was like, hey there, this is Chase Fraud. Can you give us more information about the transaction? Give us more information. So I gave them all the information they needed. I told them where it's going. It's going to Coinbase, which is a regulated company, regulated American company, regulated by the SEC. Should all be fine. And they're like, yeah, okay. 20 minutes later, I'd get an email saying the payment got rejected. So I went back to the branch again and told them, hey, that payment got rejected. Can we try again? They were like, oh, that's weird. Idiots at the branch. Oh, that's weird. Oh, no, I wonder why it got rejected. Let's try again. Fool. So we tried again. They were like, oh yeah, transaction's gone through. It should be fine. Got a phone call an hour later by the fraud team, and it was the same questions. The Chase fraud team were like, where's this payment going? Okay, they asked me a few more questions, like bullshitty questions. I was like, okay, yeah, everything all clear? They were like, yeah, we'll get back to you. It's gone up to the second tier of the Chase fraud team. Then I get an email again, bang, payment rejected. Unbelievable. So I tried a smaller amount. I tried moving 50K. Bang, same thing, payment rejected. I tried 7 times. 7 times I tried to move my money from Chase Bank in the US, here in Miami Beach, over to Coinbase so that I could purchase Ethereum when it was $1,800. That was a big bet of mine that I told all my friends I was going to do. I tell my friends my investment moves. I told them I'm putting $1.5 million on Ethereum at $1,800 and I'm going to wait 1 to 2 years. I'm going to have a 1 to 2 year hold in the hope that I potentially double my money or triple my money. Because I was like, Ethereum is going to go to $10,000. I think I'm going to smash it. So, fast forward, Chase kept blocking those transfers. So instead I put it into Chase investment account and did what every American would want you to do. Started buying American technology stocks. Started buying S&P 500 stocks. Now, fair enough, those did well, but they absolutely did nowhere near as well as Ethereum did. The price of Ethereum today is $3,200. I would have almost doubled my money. And I would have sold today and banked the cash and sat on the sidelines and decided what to do next. Now, this might sound very arrogant coming from someone who's got money that I missed out on making more money, but that's not the point of this video. The point of this video was to let you know that, one, I know what I'm doing and I know which direction the market is going in the long run, and I'm brave enough to make those moves. But 2, the US banking system, especially Chase, CEO Jamie Dimon, does not like crypto and therefore blocks any payments going to any crypto companies. Chase Bank fucked me over for making almost $2 million. I got completely screwed. I learnt my lesson. What I did actually to solve that is I went to Romania, partnered up with a very good friend of mine and a partner there, And now we've got money in Binance because Binance is banned in the US. They've got Binance.us, which is shit in terms of liquidity, much smaller liquidity. So now I put my money through Binance, and I'm planning to shift more of my money over into a European company and then shifting it into Binance because I'm allowed to have a Binance account in Europe and I'm allowed to trade, and liquidity on Binance is the best in the world. So there you go. That's my story of how Chase absolutely screwed me over from making money. It was my decision. I wasn't even allowed to do what I wanted to do with my own money. This is definitely not the land of the free. This is the land of the regulated. So I must now find new ways and new solutions to move my money around, which I have, over into Binance through European entities so I can continue to trade and buy cryptocurrencies, because on this occasion, the US government completely screwed me out of making millions of dollars. Thanks very much, Chase. Thanks very much, Jamie Dimon, you scumbag.